In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make an Uber Eats driver account in Australia. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to easily make your Uber Eats driver account in Australia is to download the Uber Driver app. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and download the Driver app. When you download the app and you open it up for the first time, the app might ask you for a location permission. I highly recommend you grant the app a permission to view your location, as that makes the whole process of registering a lot easier. Once you are in the app, after you input an email address or a phone number to complete your registration, you should see this warning at the home page. There are a few steps you need to complete. Select that option and immediately you will be redirected to the driver requirements page. In there, you have to input a lot of documents and photos about the vehicle that you want to use to make deliveries. As you can see, they need to go through each and every single one of these documents, and after you are approved, you will be able to resume to the main menu and start making your deliveries as long as the entire background check is approved. I hope I was able to help you on how to make an Uber Eats driver account in Australia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.